Look at this bucket. God damn. Now this guy's got his own stash. Look at this. Not only does he have that for a stash, look what else I found. God damn, look down here. I'm probably not supposed to be down here. If the wrong guy sees me, he's gonna drive his damn Jeep over here. Look at this little find. That's big. Is that snowflake jade? See anything good? I don't know. Maybe that one. Ugh. Uh-oh, is that thing still recording? 116, 117. It recorded while I had it in the cardboard box. Sorry, guys. I'll have to edit that out or leave it in. I don't know. Rockman Radio. Yay. Yeah, the other guy, he disappeared at, I don't know, AM, 6 a.m. or something. Yeah, he went to the store and I haven't seen him all day. Yeah, I did. I saw him once. He was in front of the liquor store looking for a job. He said, it's 3 o'clock. Clock on the wall says 3 o'clock. Man, this is way over time. We're over budget, people. You're all fired.